Hash. Oh my gosh! Yay!
What the hell?
You did not! I don't even know what that is.
Did Santa bring something? What?
What is it? Is it not a custard?
You need to go outside and look?
Is it a car?
Come on, stand up. Look outside.
Where?
Go outside.
Your dad and I have been lying for weeks. She's all hurt.
Merry Christmas.